Speak up.
Hi, welcome to Speak Up. Today we will learn a new interesting proverb and at the same time practice your English pronunciation. Our proverb is, "A rolling stone gathers no moss." It means a person who doesn't settle down and is not attached to anything or anyone. For example, you can say, "Jack will hardly be a success because he changes his job every 6 months. A rolling stone gathers no moss." Now, I'm going to demonstrate how to pronounce this proverb. Please watch closely how I use my lips, teeth, jaw, tongue, and facial muscles to pronounce this proverb. Repeat after me. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Good job, everyone. Thank you for watching Speak Up. All the best and see you soon.
Speak up.